The best thing about Enphase microinverters is the safety factor that it provides. Safety was a big concern for me and my family members because we use the terrace on a daily basis, be it for a morning tea or coffee or drying our clothes. My name is Mithul and I'm a hardware engineer, and we've been residing in Bangalore for the past 20 years. We switched to solar energy because we're a family of four, and our electricity bill shoots up, especially in summers. So when we started our research on solar, we were overwhelmed with a lot of technical information available on the internet. And when we reached out to Enphase, they answered all our questions very patiently, and their installation process was very seamless, and the after-sale service has been absolutely amazing. Yeah, I've recently purchased an electric scooter, and my Enphase system is ensured that every step of the way from charging to commutes is eco-friendly. And also we have plans to go for an EV car in the near future, because that's where the auto market is heading towards. And keeping that in mind, it makes sense to go with Enphase microinverters because they're easily scalable. You can just add a couple of extra solar panels to the existing system, which cannot be done with traditional string inverter based solar systems. If you have any shadow or leaves on any one of the panels, only that single panel is going to be affected, which is not the case with traditional string inverter based systems, so which will indeed increase the energy production and efficiency to a much greater degree. Enphase has provided me with an app which allows me to track both energy consumption and production at the panel level. Everything has been very smooth and seamless. I'm not facing any issues, and they've also given me the option to reach out to their 24/7 customer support. Everything has been very satisfying. Thank you, Enphase, for bringing my electricity bills down to almost zero. And who doesn't mind saving some extra times at the end of the day?